Hey there. So we are in our time chapter 24. We're going to do pages 527 and 528. I've got my clock here. So for the first page, you are going to be told what time it is, and you have to draw the hands on the clock. And it looks like you only have to draw the minute hand, okay? Just remembering that the minute hand is longer than the hour hand, okay? So they did the first one for you. You were to do 3:25. I will start you at the 3 o'clock. So if each number is 5 minutes, it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Notice that the 3 is almost halfway past the 3, between the 3 and the 4. But the minute hand is on the 5, so you just want to trace that hand, okay? Next one is 9:10. Well, let's start by making it 9 o'clock, all right? And if each number is 5 minutes, we've got 9:05, 9:10. The minute hand is on the 2, right? Because that would be 10 minutes. Okay, now you've got 11:40. Let's make it 11 o'clock. Why don't you count with me? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. The minute hand is on the 8, right? And we even have a little cheat sheet right there. Okay, next one is 12:50. Well, let's make it 12 o'clock. And you guys might know where the 50 is, but let's count by quarter hours. 12:15, 12:30, 12:45, 50. So the minute hand is on the 10. All right, the next one says 7:15. Let's make it 7 o'clock. That's what 7 o'clock looks like. 5, 10, 15. Same thing as quarter after 7, right? 7:15, so on the 3. And it should be pretty long. 5:55, this is what 5 o'clock look like. We've got 5:30. We know that 55 is more. 5:45, we're getting close. 5:50, 5:55. The hour hand is almost to the 6. You notice that they did the black hand for you? Okay, and then the minute hand is on the 11. Okay, so that's what you guys are doing on page 528. It says to show the time, draw the minute hand. You want to do that together? You can pause me, do it, then come back if you'd like. Okay, so look at number 1. They said it was 6:40. Well, they showed you that the minute hand is on the 8 because this is 30, 35, 40. So go ahead and trace that. You've got 9:20. Here is 9 o'clock. Watch what happens to the hour hand. 5, 10, 15, 20. It's creeping toward the 10, right? And the minute hand is on the 4, 9:20. 4:30. Let's make it 4. I think you guys know 30 is half past, right? So the minute hand would be on the 6 for 4:30. All right, number 4, it's 7:35. Let's make it 7. Well, you know 30, 5 more would look like that. The minute hand would be on the 7, 7:35. Now we've got 1:50. Let's make it 1 o'clock. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Did it say 55? Nope, it said 50. Let's go back one. Okay, so the minute hand would be on the 10. 55, 60, or o'clock, 2 o'clock. 5:05, let's make that 5. That's 05, not 50, so that is just a jump to the 1, 5:05. Now, the problem is my hour hand points between the 8 and the 9, so I'm going to put my hour hand between, it's halfway between the 8 and the 9. So go ahead and draw the shorthand halfway between the 8 and the 9. My minute hand points to the 5. Draw the minute hand pointing to the 5. The long one goes to the 5. What time am I? Okay, so the hour is first. Does it belong to the 8 or 9? It belongs to the 8, right? Because not very long ago it was 8 o'clock. And then it was 8:05, 10, 15, 20, what? 25. So yes, that clock there, the little digital, should say 8 because it's still belonging to the 8. 25 is how many? Whoa. How many minutes past. So that's what your drawn clock should look like, and that's what your digital clock should say. Okay? So you can play with telling time more on your math on the Happy Numbers, I think it's called, if you'd like to do that. So next up we're going to do our language, so you can get that ready, and I'll see you in a little while. Okay? Bye-bye.